G'day everyone, I'm Benno. I got a bit excited earlier this evening. I thought I'll get the 80 out of the shed so I can sort it out tomorrow. I can get underneath it, hit it with the greaser, hit it with a power wash, clean all that crap oil off. And in the meantime, I took it for a test drive. Check this out. Alright, so we've got this 80 series sort of happening. It's just time to take it out for a little test drive. Yay! See how it drives. Alright, but do it close properly. Because, yeah, that's fine. I'm not going to stuff with any of that. Alright. Oh, actually, it won't go into gear. I know what I've got to do. Damn. Alright, so I've got to crawl underneath it. Problem is the high-low range shifter is actually disconnected and it's actually currently sitting in neutral. So that's a bit of a pain in the ass, so I just got to reconnect that. Was it be somewhere that was a real pain in the ass to get my hands on? Just got that sorted. The transfer case shifters now connected, but I found this. Yeah, that's one of the cross member bolts. Was cross threaded and jammed in, so it wasn't fully in and is absolutely stuffed. So I'll have to get another one of those bolts and see if I can re-tap the nut that's in there. Hopefully. You know, now it's time. We'll get this beastie out and give it a little test run. Try again. Fire up. It runs. But that's in low range. It's high range. We'll go into gear. Oh, look at that. It's gone into reverse. You friggin' beauty. We've got lights. Yes, we've got lights. Let's back her out. Whew. Quick test drive for the 80. Oh, no power steering, of course. Particularly underpowered. Front end actually feels all right. Oh, and the brakes actually work. Whoa! You beauty. Yeah. Yeah, it's not brilliant. I don't know about this motor. Not 100% sure. Quick run around the block. You can get parked here for the time being. Yeah, that's running on 4 cylinders again. 5 cylinders. Alright. Okay, I'm not 100% happy with that. the work I've done on the front end is good. I'm happy with that, but nah, not really happy with the way it's running. Yeah, oh, at least I've got some space in the shed again. Woohoo! I got a bit of space. All right, so as you've just seen, took the 80 out for a run, and the front end's beautiful. Power steering's not working, of course. I've still got to do the main bushes. I've done the tie rods, I've done the knuckles, I've done the brakes, I've done the bearings. I've adjusted the steering box, so the plays are all gone out of the steering box. The motor, well, that's another story. I'm not sure what's going on with that thing yet. I don't really want to have to pull it out and do a rebuild. I will if I have to, but I don't really want to. I'm thinking along the lines of possibly fuel system, and it probably definitely needs a clean. It's a fuel injected thing, so it could be a crook injector, it could be a number of things. It could be vacuum lines. Could have a vacuum line come off somewhere that's I've not been able to see. They're all pretty sad, so I'm going to replace them all anyway. I'll just have to go and buy a roll of various size vacuum hoses and replace all those. Anyone who's got one of those things, particularly with a one of ZFE in it, the petrol motor, 4.5 litre. Yeah, if you've got any ideas on why this thing's running like a dog, it's got good compression. Compression's up around, from memory, was up around the 180s. Really, the engine should be quite sound. There's no real banging and clunking noises coming from the motor. The cover on the catalytic converter's rattling. I've got to put an exhaust system on it. If you've got any ideas about, you know, where to look, it might help save me a bit of time and a bit of frustration. So, smack the like button. If you haven't subscribed, smack the subscribe button, and if you're going to do that, hit the bell so you get notifications. And if you actually know anything about these cars, particularly with the petrol motor, the 1FZ FE, drop us a comment, give us an idea of where to start looking for these problems. Like I said, I'm thinking vacuum lines and fuel injection. Otherwise, I don't know. All right, cheers, catch you later. Bye.